friends, I'm Lumi, and today I am so happy to welcome a very special guest to my show house. It's Miro! Yeah, let's move, learn, and stretch together. Let's get ready to be happy and enjoy every move. First up, A is for artist. Let's go! A, move and stretch. Hold your pose, take a breath. We're doing great, look at us shine. Yoga and ladders feel so fun. Next up, B is for baker. Side bend, let's stretch. Move and stretch. Hold your pose, take a breath. Reach to the side, nice and slow. Watch the bunny baker go. Watch the bunny baker go. C is for chef, cooking yummy food. Stir the soup, feeling good. Stretch and smile, move with me. Happy as can be. D is for doctor, helping every day. Listen carefully, hip hooray. Hip hooray. Reach up high, touch your toes. Healthy bodies grow. E's for engineer, building something new. Big ideas for me and you. Balance strong, stand up tall. We can build it all. F is for firefighter, brave and strong. Spray the water, sing along. Reach and stretch, touch the sky. Heroes always try. G is for gardener, flowers bloom today. Plant a seed, laugh and play. Grow like trees, sway with me. Happy as can be. H is for hairdresser, brush and style with care. Snip and smile, comb your hair. Stretch and twist, 1, 2, 3. Yoga happily. I is for investor, saving every day. Count your coins, hip hooray. Stretch your arms, stand up tall. Learning helps us all. J is for journalist, sharing all the news. Ask a question, learn new views. Stretch and smile, move around. Joy is all around. J is for kindergarten teacher, helping kids to learn. Read together, take your turn. Stretch together, 1, 2, 3. Yoga friends will always be. Everybody sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Come and play with me. Stretch, smile, dance today. Learning letters the yoga way.
Awesome job today! Next time, we'll discover even more letters and fun jobs. See you soon!